Can you feel the rain?
Hey, Metro, this shit vibing, gang.
Can you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain? I'm too hard to tame. And I put that shit on game, ayy. Everybody know me and my niggas bustin' brains, ayy. Walking with the chopper, we gon' aim it at his brain, ayy. My niggas clutching, bitch, they told on the thing. Playing with the game, it's like playing with your life, nigga. We can shoot it out, nigga, we can really fight, ayy. Poppin' all the shit, pussy nigga, really bout it. Bitch, I'm 21 with a whole lot of knowledge. Poppin' all the shit, bitch, I really be the hottest, bitch. I'm poppin' all the shit, I'm finna take off like a rocket, ayy. Everybody know we should get up just like a lamp, ayy. He try to act tough and he got his fucking face up. Down on the odds, little bitch, she shashin' with the heat. Stack my braids and go get your ass knocked right off your feet. Really turn the picture into a motherfucking bitch. Pop that again, bitch, we up the skull, but there ain't no missing. I was born a hustler, I know how to get it. Always run it up, little bitch, I'm counting up these digits. Everybody know me and my niggas, we gon' strike them down. Everybody know we cruise through the bitty, drop around. 17 to the face, now his ass can make a sound. I'm with them up, they already know how we get down. Everybody know me and my niggas, we don't fucking play around. All the odds get ejected when they hit them Draco sound. They asked before that me and my niggas, we gon' gun them down. Everybody know me and my niggas, we gon' hunt them down. That started was funny then, but is he funny now? Ain't worried about no bullets, man, we having plenty rounds. Damn. Yeah. Ayy, pop it, I'ma walk it, I'ma spray it, light it up. Everybody know I can't live without a dirty tuck. Ayy, pop it on the scene, little bitch, you shoot a movie. All these bitches know I'm off the zone, I'm feeling groovy. Funny how all these little bitches tryna do me. I ain't loving on no bop, I ain't loving on no groupie. This is the story of a fucking hard nut. Ayy, quarter odds slacking, bitch, you know I got a job. Ayy, letting off rounds till his fucking body drop. Play for keys, I had to aim it at his motherfucking top. Really popping all this shit, man, what the fuck they thought? Cause be pillow talking like some bitches, man, these niggas soft, ayy. Can you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain? Hey, can you feel the rain?